welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is the August Cozmo Box. So if you want to see what I've got in today's box, then make sure you keep watching. And if you like today's video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. So jumping straight into this month's box, I just received this the other day, so I'm just sitting down to film it. It has again come in the really pretty green box with the little straps, so I'm loving their new packaging. It does feel very heavy this month. So let's take a look inside. Now on the top here is the August edition little book, so it's got everything in there. So if you see me looking down, it's normally because I'm just grabbing info from this. So then I can let you know of what is in here. Now I will add on the screen on how much I paid, and at the end we will tally up the total of the box versus how much I paid to see whether it was worth it or not. So the first thing I have in this little booklet is 5 ways to prepare your skin for spring. So it's just got how to look after your skin for spring. Here in Australia it is spring now. So jumping on to the first product I got in here is from Lancome. And it is a 15ml cream. It is the Lancome Renergy Multi-Lift Ultra Cream, and it looks like this. Now it says this multi-lift ultra cream has been selected specifically for the reason that it helps target a full spectrum of skin concerns. Even in the most extreme conditions, it will delicately melt into the skin for energizing skin firming and illumination. So this retails for $53.40. The second product that I have in here is a moisturizing grape water. So it's from Kadali. So it just looks like this. It's a misting bottle. It's a facial mist. It's 75 mils. So it says this mist is 100% natural and extracted from organic grapes during the grapevine harvest. It has become a cult favourite due to its powerful multitasking properties. It works to gently moisturise, soothe and refresh the skin. It also contains antioxidants that help to reduce free radical aggressions and prebiotics that help to strengthen and rebalance the skin. So this here retails for 14 Australian dollars. The third item that I have in here is from More Boutique, and it is a lychee flower soapette. So it's 60 grams soap, and it comes in this really cute like packaging, the tin that you could reuse. And then when you open it up, the soap looks like this on the inside. So it has their name on it and everything. It's a really nice hot pink, matches my hair. And it is in plastic as well. So this one here says that it is made with sparkling sweet lychee flowers united with ripe berries, soft powdery florals and the slightest hint of green forest woods. This triple milled soapette is made from a rich vegetable base, shea butter and vitamin E to create an indulgent lather that leaves skin luxuriously cleansed and moisturized. So that sounds really nice, and I love how cute this is. And I'm actually like looking at this and thinking, you know, Christmas is coming out, and this would be like a cute little gift for, you know, friends or family if I make like a little gift basket or something. Maybe a little self-care package. Because yeah, this is just super adorable. The fourth item that we got in here is from Signorina in Fior. So it is a Salvatore Ferragamo body lotion and perfume set. So the perfume is 5 mils and the body lotion is 30 mils, and it comes in this really cute hot pink tin as well. Everything is matching my hair in this box. I'm loving it. So opening up the box inside, it does have a little plastic thing holding them in there, but I'm just going to pull it out to show you. I've got this little perfume here that is 15 mils, and then I have this cute little body lotion, and this was 30 mils, so it just looks like this. So I'm going to keep it in this because I think this would be really cute, maybe even like together. But this retails for $21.90, and it says that it is an iconic floral and fruity notes like luscious pear sorbet and juiced pomegranate create a unique lightness and brightness that regular wearers love. At its heart, a crescendo of cherry blossom and jasmine petals recreate the sense of blossoming romance, while white musk and creamy sandalwood add a subtle yet luxurious after scent that lingers on. So it sounds really, really nice as well. And just from opening the package, I can actually smell it, and it smells absolutely divine. The next item in here is a big one. So it comes in this big box. It's from Lancome, and it is actually an insulated thermos bottle. So it is a 500ml bottle that retails for $19.90. And it says here that it is a lightweight thermos bottle that will help keep you hydrated in style wherever you go. It's leak-proof, insulated, and durable, ensuring your drinks are kept warm or cool for hours on end. And again, bright hot pink, so matches my hair. It's super cute. It's got this little metal lid on top, and opening up, it's just got a little package in there to keep it dry for no moisture. But looks absolutely adorable. I actually really like this, and I do use thermoses quite a bit. Now, the next item in here is the last full-size item that we've got, and it is from Filorga. Now, this was the sneak peek in last month's box. So this one says it is a cleanser. It's 150 mils, and it comes like this. So it says it infuses your skin with moisture with antioxidants. It's an anti-aging facial cleanser fortified with hyaluronic acid, refreshing your skin and combating free radical damage while removing makeup and excess oils. Now this retails for 41 Australian dollars, so this is a really good size, and I think this is a good cleanser as well. I haven't tried it myself, but I have seen lots of people comment on it in the past. And the lucky last item in this month's box is a sleeping mask duo. So it is from Laneige. It's just the little sample sizes. So I got a water mask that is 15 mils, and then the lip sleeping mask in 3 grams. So they just look like this. And it basically is the lip sleeping mask is the pout perfecting formula that is rich in antioxidants and intense in moisture. It will help replenish lost moisture overnight by nourishing and soothing chapped lips. And the water sleeping mask comes with an enhanced probiotic complex that will strengthen the skin's defense system for a more revived, brighter and clearer complexion. Cosmo Beauty experts have assured you will be waking up with a more radiant skin whilst using these. So that there retails for $15.50 Australian dollars. Now these products here, I actually really love these. I have tried the water cream before, and I do prefer my Ole Henriksen Strength Peptide Trainer. So I have swapped to using that, and I don't use this one anymore, but I do really love it. It's a good travel size. The lip sleeping mask, I still use these like every night, especially if I've been wearing a liquid lip during the day or something, or I've got chapped lips. I make sure to pop this on, and I swear by this stuff, my lips are always, you know, fixed by the next morning. So I think I might pop this in like a little giveaway, or pop it in a little gift bag for Christmas or something. Because yeah, I really love these already, and I would love to let someone else experience them as well and fall in love with them with me. So in here it says that the total value of today's box was $177.65. I will just add that up and I'll confirm it on the screen for you guys in the editing stage, and I'll pop how much I paid for it as well. But I'm really loving the new revamped Cozmo Box. I did also have Cozmo Box actually comment on my last video, and they are actually changing their shipping carrier back to Australia Post here in Australia, rather than using Sendle. So I'm really happy about that, because that means we'll get our boxes a lot quicker. So I really appreciate that they have been like listening to their customers like reviews, and they're, you know, being proactive in fixing any issues. Let me know if you guys like this box and like seeing everything in it. Unfortunately, there was no makeup in this one, which I'm really disappointed about because obviously I prefer makeup over skincare because I don't actually use much of the skincare because of my sensitive skin. But I can't complain because, yeah, everything was so nice and Christmas is coming up and this will make good Christmas presents. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. What was your favourite item in the box? If you did enjoy today's video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys.